right, folks, welcome to the Jam Scoot scooter assembly video. You're going to have these items here, and you're going to put them together. Just like so. Handle into this piece, holding this piece in place. This guy's doweled, boom, into there. That's going to hold like that. That's going to go in there, like so. You'll do the same thing with the other handle. That will temporarily hold this in place. And you can add the screws along the side here. And then same thing on this side. The handles are going to be Allen. It is a 5/32, and the rest are Phillips screws. This back piece will slide into here. Well, you know what I mean. And your seat will go on top. And then with the unit on its back, you have the other screws that go in the bottom here. That will be these screws. And this concludes your instructional video of your Jam Scoot scooter, Jam 03. Please enjoy. Scoot on.